Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Brandon, aka it's KVNG, and yep, I finally do got some audio. Yep, it's not the best of audio as of yet, but then yeah, I'm working on it. Getting into our analysis. Euro USD, gold, and Nasdaq last week. Let's have a recap of last week's analysis. We're anticipating for all three of the pairs to drop, and they all actually played out very well. The only one entry that I missed was gold. I didn't get to trade gold because I missed my entry, so I just let it play out. But I did get to trade Euro USD and Nasdaq. I'll show you guys that right now. Okay. With that, we were expecting Euro USD to drop from the zone of 1.18920 down to 1.17937, which it I believe it actually hit the exact points. Yep. Currently it is on the support zone that I was anticipating. It has dropped beautifully. We're looking to sell it from over here, and we caught the sell down to over here. This is now, as you guys can see, is the retest of this broken minor downtrend, and this is the zone I'm looking to buy gold, Euro USD from, back to at least this resistance. But I believe it can push higher up to this zone, and then from the reverse. But then if gold does not play out and our criteria are not met, then we can see gold, my apologies, Euro USD drop down to the support zone over here, and then from there retest this zone and trend line as it broke back into the trend line, which will consider this as a fake out. So on gold now, finally we were also anticipating gold to sell off from the zone of 1831.076 down to 1809 over here, and gold actually did play out beautifully. It even dropped further. We're looking for gold to drop down to this zone, but it actually dropped further down to the zone, which was my secondary support zone I was looking to buy, which is in line with this uptrend. But then I believed gold was just gonna fake out and then rise back up, but then it didn't. It just dropped. It crashed straight down to the zone of 1791. So currently right now, this was the trade that I missed. I missed the trade over here, and as you can see, this bearish momentum, I didn't really catch any retests that met my criteria, so I just let gold slide. And on Nasdaq, we were also anticipating for Nasdaq to crash from the current high it was at, and at least have a sort of retracement for this impulse back to the zone 15272. But currently I am still in Nasdaq. As of why is because Nasdaq still didn't reach my zone, my support zone that was watching. So I am still holding my cells. I am still in the cells, and I'm going to hold them down to this zone. And then once we get to the zone, I am going to see if I do get any buying opportunities to the upside. As you guys know that the iPhone 13 is being released this week, I believe, so we could see Nasdaq push for higher highs. For next week's analysis, or for this week's analysis, it's pretty much just as the recap. From this zone where Euro USD is at currently, I'm looking to buy it up to this zone and then sell it back down. But I believe in this week it might just push up to this zone, figures out the beginning of next week, and then push up a little higher before dropping. But yeah, I am not the market maker. I just follow what the market shows me. And on gold, I am looking to buy it back to, firstly I would say, to this double top over here, and then I can hold one risk entry up to this zone over here just to have a clear retest of this broken support. As you can see, we don't have this retest, so we have to fill this gap. We sort of have to fill this gap, do you understand? And then from there crash down and play until we squeeze out of this trend, or let me say this counter trend that is now currently being enforced on gold. Well, but my higher time frame bias is still bullish. Hold on. My higher time frame bias, as you can see, this is what I'm talking about, this counter trend. We could see gold play around in it until it pushes out, or if gold wants to crash down to the bottom. But then we'll wait and see what price does once it gets to that area. Nasdaq, same story. In line with the iPhone 13 being released this week, I'm seeing for Nasdaq to at least push down for today or for Monday, and then shoot up for new highs. Guys, if this video was informative and you learned something, please do leave a like and subscribe. Check the description down below if you want free signals. I do share free signals on Telegram. I have the link, so down there. It's for free, totally free.